Hello traders, and good to be with you on this Tuesday. It's actually February 27th. Traders, we are coming to you from Thailand. Overcast skies this morning, quite cool. Very nice day today. Was up at 4:30 this morning. Does that happen when you get old? When you get older, do you just like get up earlier and earlier? So it's just after 7 a.m. here, 7:06 a.m. So that would be 19:06 on Wall Street on a Monday night. So I have to tell you, I opened my charts early this morning. I got to be honest with you. I like that there's this movement. We got movement, and that's what we ask for, right? Just want to know movement. I don't care if it goes up or down, and that's okay. And of course, we have our bias, right? Which way do we want to take our trade? In what direction? So it's good. I'm glad we're seeing some movement, better than it was a month ago, a month and a half ago, where it was just like sideways, right? So we don't want to see that. So let's take a look at what's going on today. We'll take a look at data. Like we talked about yesterday, trade balance came out of the Kiwi today, and negative 3,220 million. Bad number today out of the Kiwi on trade balance. So I don't see that has affected. Well, it came down a couple, but nothing really big as far as the movement goes. Today in the London session, we got Spanish CPI. Spanish HICP for February. I got an ECB person speaking. We got the German BUPA president, Weidmann speaks today. Sure I messed that name up. My apologies. What else we got? Not much. German CPI comes out today. And in the U.S., we got core durable goods coming out today. That should be a good number, a good situation. Also, Fed Chair, the new Fed Chair, Powell, testifies today. We also have goods trades balance out of the U.S. today. CB consumer confidence for February comes out today. And let's see what is on for tomorrow. We also have API weekly crude oil stock today. In Asia, first thing, well, actually it's 16:45 hours on Wall Street tomorrow. You got some light news coming out of Kiwi, visitor arrivals, stuff like that. Nothing really big there. Asia tomorrow morning, we have ANZ business confidence out of New Zealand. And that will wrap up Asia tomorrow. So let's jump back to today. Let's take a look at it. S&P futures are negative 0.06%. NASDAQ futures negative 0.01%. The Dow 30 is up 1.58%, with the S&P 500 VIX negative 4.18%. And the small cap 2000 is up 0.61%. We have the DAX is up 0.35%, and the US dollar index is negative 0.04%. That's what's going on. Let's take a look at oil and gold. Gold, I was in the U.S. session yesterday, about an hour before the market opened, and gold was up $80 for the day. And you can see gold is now at 1,334, above that 133 level. Let's see how long that can hold. And it's currently up 0.17%. WTI crude is at $63.99, and Brent oil is at $67.37. Basically hanging out the same areas it was yesterday. Not a lot there. Let's get to the charts, my friend. Here's the euro. Not a lot to do here, folks. Not a lot to do here. It's sideways. It's in this range. It did have a nice move here yesterday in the U.S. session. You can see this. Nice sell-off here. This, to me, just looks a good opportunity to do one of these. Not that I would do a Fibonacci level, but this just looks like a good opportunity to tag a fib level here, right? Coming here on this 618, right? This, maybe it'll go sideways till the London Open, and we can get in this and take this back to the downside. The 786, of course, is the preferred entry, right? We'd really like to see this up here, and that would be the preferred entry. So we're bearish in the euro dollar today. There's a lot of stuff left to the chart on this chart. It's a 30-minute chart, so just keep an eye out on that. Let's take a look at the pound. The pound, another nice sell-off in the U.S. session you know, this really looks really like a really great opportunity here. Again, 786 would be our preferred entry here. That's going to get us at 1040. I like that. I really do like that. However, we do have pretty significant resistance at the 5-0. The problem here is if you get in here, you get in at the 5-0, you're coming right in, back into support, right? So yeah, we don't want to do that. That's really not an opportunity. You're just going to get yourself in trouble. So we need to wait for this to get back up to that 786 Fibonacci level, and we'll take it to the downside. This pair is very bearish. So we're going to just keep on that trend, and we want to sell this. We definitely want to sell it. So I think it's an opportunity for sure. We have some data coming out of the Great British Pound today, a little bit. So yeah, see what happens. Let's just we'll take a look at the New Zealand, being that they had data today. Yeah, a little sell-off here from that data. Like not a lot to do here. I mean, it just sticks out at you like this is where we want to get in, right? The 73.45, 73.50 area, that's the place we'd like to get in this and take this to the downside. I don't want to do anything here, folks. We're at support, right? Always remember, we buy at support and we sell at resistance, right? So there's nothing to do here. And I don't know why my nose is itching. Maybe I'm going to win big lottery today. I don't know. We'll see. That's pretty funny. Okay, let's take a look at this dollar yen. Is really at a nice spot. It's right at the 200 exponential moving average. 200 exponential moving average here on a 30-minute chart on my other screen. And yeah, this looks nice. The problem is where we're at, right? This just looks like trouble. Just looks like trouble, my friend. Just looks like trouble. I think we're better off doing something like this, right? And yeah, again, back up to this. Look at this nice wide open space here. See, I like that. So let's see if we can get that up to there. That's it, 107.60. 107.60. So that's 80 pips away. If you want to ride it to the upside, that's great. You can get it in at the 618, but the problem with the 618, you're coming right back into support again. So, you know, waiting for it to get up to this 107.60 area looks like really a nice opportunity to sell the dollar yen. We can take a look at the Aussie. Again, just a nice level here, 78.80, 78.85 right here. Not really difficult to figure that one out, right? We don't want to do anything here, right? We're at support. We don't want to do anything. Let this come back up and give us an opportunity to get in this. My bias is bearish on the Aussie dollar. It's been for a long time. So we want to sell this. I want to buy this. And if you look at this, you know, chart spatially, you can see it's in a downtrend. It's definitely in a trend to go for the downside. All right, traders, I don't see a lot more going on here, I have to be honest. So we'll call it a wrap. And of course, before we go, let's take a look at the dollar index. Basically hovering around there. It's at this 89, 88 area. We'd love to see this before the end of the week get back up to the 90 area and above. And I think that can happen. Traders, always remember to trade smart and not hard. I promise you, we'll catch you tomorrow morning in Asia. Take care, my friends. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.